Question number 7 from NCERT book. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So I already have drawn the building here. You can see in this case this building is DC. D and the length of here, the height of the building DC is 20 meter. I have marked it here. On the top of the building there is a tower which is AD in this case, and a point on the ground which is B. From this point the angle of elevation to the bottom of the tower is BD. Here is the say the length we have drawn here. So angle of elevation is 45 degree, and the angle of elevation from that same point B to the top of the tower A is 60 degree. I have marked it here. Now the question arises how to find out the length, or say AD in this case, or we can say the height of the tower. What we can do is we will take the smaller triangle, that is DBC, and using this height DC, this is perpendicular, and the angle 45 degree, we will find BC. Now once we have found BC, we'll go to the bigger triangle, that is ABC. Now in this ABC, angle 60 degrees given, and BC we already have calculated. So with this BC and the angle 60 degree, we can find out the length AC, which is the perpendicular in this case. Now once we have found AC, from AC we will subtract the length DC to get the length AD in this case. So let's move on. First I will write in triangle. Okay. In triangle A, sorry, it will not be A, it will be BCD. BCD, you know which triangle I'm talking about. We have got tan, BCD has got tan 45 degree is equal to, which is nothing but DC as a perpendicular and BC is the base. So I will write here tan 45 is 1 is equal to DC, which is 20 meter upon BC. So from here we can get the length BC. So BC here would be nothing but 20 meter. So I can mark it here. Fine. So I'll mark this BC now as 20 meters. So this will be 20 meter. Now after which, now since we have got it, we will keep this in mind, and then we'll go to the bigger triangle. So write in triangle ABC. Now angle is 60 degrees, so at tan 60 degree is equal to AC by BC. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 is equal to AC is supposed to be calculated upon BC is 20. So finally we can say AC is equal to 20 times root 3. So I need to multiply, so I will write here AC is equal to 20 and value of root 3 is 1.732. Now if I multiply the two here, that is 20 into 1.732, we get 34.64. So we get 34.64 34 meter. So we got the entire length of AC as 34.64. So but we have to calculate AD. So we can write here, you write, see, AD plus DC is equal to AC. So what is AD? We have to calculate. So AD, and what is DC? We already have been given as 20, and we calculated just now AC, which is 34.64. So therefore AD will be equal to 34.64 minus 20, and that is going to be how much? 14.64 meter. So finally we got here the length. We can write the length of the tower, or height of the tower. We can say height of the tower is equal to 14.64 meter, and that is your answer. All right.